doing the more difficult questions made me more comfortable and more confident that I am going to be able to clear the exam, because obviously doing the easy question does not give you that level of confidence. And being able to book sessions with the mentors, that was also very helpful. My name is Shivna Banthia. I'm from Indore. I have just completed my US CMA, and I had previously done BBA in foreign trade from Prestige Institution of Management and Research. I was thinking about CMA. I considered all my options, and I thought that Miles seemed the best of all the options. So I went for Miles. Seeing all the videos first, then reading the book, so that I have at least everything in my head that this is the whole course, this is what I need to study. And then I went about with the questions. I had already had everything underlined in my books, and I went about like that. And I had completed the OTP around 2-3 times by the time of my exam. So I thought I was pretty well prepared. It's very energetic, so you sort of feed off on all of that energy, and it doesn't get very monotonous. It's fun. CMA matlab Miles.